Stainless steel toolbox latch. Replaces Dee Zee toolbox paddle handle latch. Replaces post-style latch. Locking paddle handle, sold individually. Includes set of keys. Dee Zee toolbox accessories, replacement latch. A stainless steel, locking latch. Use as a replacement for Dee Zee toolboxes with a post-style latch. Comes with keys, weather-resistant gasket and rivets for installation. Latches may optionally be installed with bolts and nuts, not provided. Top reviews from the United States. You need an Allen wrench to remove the old units. The bar is not included. The latch was an exact replica of the original. What is a con is there are few directions. You need to use an Allen wrench to loosen the back part of the latch off to remove the old one. Be careful with the connecting bar. You have to reuse that. Even though buying 2 latches was a bit pricey, it was much cheaper than buying a new toolbox.